What if one day you walk into work and discover you're the only human left?
Every desk is occupied, but not by people.
AI employees never get tired. And they never ask for a vacation.
They work 24 hours a day. Some companies may even be run entirely by AI. Accountants replaced.
Legal work automated. Customer service transformed forever.
Millions of jobs could disappear. But new opportunities will appear. Future jobs will look completely different.
The most valuable skill may become AI management.
Machines building machines. The office never sleeps.
Synchronize emotion.
Would you still have a place there?
Or would AI control everything?
The transition has already begun.
Hums without multi-smart halt, silent, sleek, autonomous flow in perf harmony. Every living, breathing, digital organism. Every industry is being transformed. Will humans lead the future, or simply I adapt to it?